Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. This one that is about identity, and now we need to transform this one into this one. And now we need to simplify this one over this one. And now we put number 0 cone here. And we have 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.